Hello students, this is the second part of a chapter Plants and their Uses. We have already studied about some kinds of plants. We know that trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers are different kinds of plants. In our previous video, we have studied about trees, herbs and shrubs. What did we study? We studied that trees are large plants that live for many years. They are strong and have woody trunk. Some of the trees have branches and some are without branches. Some examples of trees are mango, coconut or banyan tree. What are the trees who do not have any branch? Coconut, palm, ashoka. These trees do not have branches, while mango tree, gulmohar tree have branches. We have also studied about herbs. What are herbs? Herbs are small plants. They have soft green stems. They have weak and tender stems and live for a few months. Examples of herbs are tomato, mint, brinjal. We have studied about shrubs also. What are shrubs? Shrubs are small, bushy plants. They have thin, hard and woody stems. Some examples of shrubs are rose, jasmine, hibiscus. Today, we will study about the other two types of plants, that are climbers and creepers. What are climbers? Climbers are plants with weak stems. These stems need support to grow upwards. What are some examples of climbers? Money plant, grapevine are the examples of climbers. What are creepers? Creepers are plants that grow along the ground. Their stems are also very weak and they also cannot stand up. So what are the examples of creepers? Pumpkin, watermelon. These plants are examples of creepers. Now let's see how climbers and creepers are different from each other. Both climbers and creepers, their growth process is different. How it's different? Climbers need support to grow upwards. And creepers spread along the ground. Climbers have weak, thin stems which cannot stand upright. Creepers also have weak stems, but they trail on the soil. We have also seen that climbers grow with the support of sticks, walls or other plants, while creepers do not need any support to stand up. Why so? Because they don't stand up as a plant. They crawl on the ground. They grow along the ground. Examples of climbers: money plant, pea plant, grapevine, whereas examples of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, strawberry. Let's know about some interesting facts. Pumpkin creepers can grow up to 20 to 30 feet long along the ground. Some climbers, like grapevines, can live and produce fruit for more than 50 years. Creepers prevent soil erosion by covering the ground and holding the soil. Morning glory opens their flowers only in the morning and close them by noon. In this video you can see the morning glory flower. It's this blue color flower. Strawberry creepers spread through runners. What are runners? Runners are these special stems that help these plants to grow along the ground, and they grow into new plants also. There are some hot questions for you. See whether you know the answers. Why do you think climbers grow better with support while creepers spread on the ground? If you tied a creeper like pumpkin to a stick, do you think it would climb? How do climbers and creepers help humans in daily life? What would happen if there were no climbers and creepers in nature? Can you suggest a way to grow climbers in small spaces like balconies or rooftops? Let's discuss the answers. Why do you think climbers grow better with support while creepers spread on the ground? Climbers have weak stems, but they also have special parts like tendrils that can hold on to support, so they grow upwards. See in the picture, you can see the climber and you can see the tendrils also. Creepers do not have such parts, so they spread along the ground. If you tied a creeper like pumpkin to a stick, do you think it would climb? No, it will not climb. Why? Again, the same answer. The pumpkin plant do not have climbing organs like tendrils. Their stems are weak and it is made for spreading, not climbing up. How do climbers and creepers help humans in daily life? We get food like grapes, pumpkin, watermelon. We get medicines like some creepers like gotu kola give medicinal values. Money plant is a climber which is used for decoration. So they are very important. What would happen if there were no climbers and creepers in nature? If there were no climbers and creepers in nature, we would lose many sources of fruits, vegetables, medicines, and natural ground cover. Also, many animals that depend on them for food and shelter would suffer. Can you suggest a way to grow climbers in small spaces like balconies or rooftops? We can grow climbers in small spaces like balconies or rooftops by growing them in bottles, using nets or wall supports as support. Grapevines can grow on balcony grills. So in this way, we can decorate our house also. That was all for today. In our next video, we will talk about other types of plants. Thank you.